So winter wonderland. Good morning, everyone. It is a beautiful day here in Alaska, and I am outside. Just got the goats out. Hey, buddy. How you doing? Over there is their night pen. That's where I put them out for during the night, or if I'm not at home. When I am home during the day, I'll just let them roam around outside. And I just got them fed, so the one is still eating. She doesn't want to come out yet. You guys coming over to me? Play? This little girl here, she ended up cutting her lip on one of the bungees that holds the hay back. Happened about a week ago or so. See, it doesn't really affect her much. She's still that wild, crazy girl. Oh, you gotta love goats. So my plan for today is just trying to get all this stuff cleaned up. What are you guys doing? You guys are distracting. This stuff was held over from the winter time. The straw. In the winter time, I'll put straw in these igloos, so if the dogs are outside, they can have some shelter they could be in. They can curl up in the straw. And this way I can never get anything done. Anyways. So yeah, I just need to get that cleaned up. I plan on getting these leaves raked up from last fall. And then, I just need to get the leaves raked up, and once all this stuff is cleaned up, I plan on taking the dogs out hiking today. Hopefully the weather's nice. It is still cloudy, but it can easily change. We have a saying here, if you don't like the weather, wait 10 minutes, because it'll change. Which is basically true most of the time. So I am going to try and take the dogs out hiking. Hopefully it's sunny. If not, I guess it's still fine. I think it's like 30 degrees outside right now, so it's not too bad. How you doing, buddy? Yeah, what is that? Got alfalfa cubes on your face. But yes, that's my plan for today. And there we go. Stop eating that. That's not food. Stop it. Now go. Go. And there we go. Oh, you stop eating stuff. That's not food. Got most of this done. A lot of the leaves are still frozen. Will you guys stop it? Go. Get. All this stuff is still frozen in, so I'll have to get that done in the next couple of days. Get over here, do a front view of it. I don't think the camera's really going to pick it up much. But yeah, got all that done. It's starting to rain out here, so I can't really go out hiking just yet. If it clears up, hopefully it clears up, I'll be able to hike later on today. I'm not sure if it will or not, but... What? Aw, good goats. I know, I see you, buddy. Happy dogs. So it's not raining, so I'm thinking we should be able to take the dogs for a little hike. I just need to get the gear done up. Let's see. Hold on, kids. That's how to do with one hand. Okay, it's Painter's, Musashi's. Where am I missing? I need another leash. Where did the other leash go? Is that it? Well, that's not it, but where did the other leash go? This leash setup system specifically for Painter. I cannot find it. Hold on, kids. Maybe that's it? No, that's the booties. Is this it? No, that's not it. What the heck? Single leash, single leash, single leash there. I didn't take it over here, did I? I swear I lose things faster than you can... I swear I lose things faster than you can say honeybee, huh? Yeah, I know. Okay, good girl. Okay, down. Okay, let's see if I can set this up here. Try and get this stuff done. Go, watch out, baby girl. Watch out. Okay, fine. Lay down, please. Have a... Let's see. How do I do this again? Nope, don't want kisses. Down. I was feeling I lost that other leash, but I don't know where I could put it. Wait a second, that ain't gonna work. Huh. That's not gonna work out unless like this. I want to handle. Not work. Okay. Painter, up here. Right here, Painter. Painter, right here. Hey, girl. Here we go. Stay. I like putting the harness on when she's on the bed. It's just a lot easier to not having to bend down the entire time. Like, there we go. You go. Yeah, happy? Girl. Okay. Down. Musashi. Musashi, you're next. Okay. Let's see here. Who gets... Okay. That's Musashi's. Painter, come here. That goes to Painter. Okay, this is what our system looks like. Probably see a little bit better once we get outside. So it's like that. Get my shoes on. Hold on, kids. So we've actually been having a really creepy guy hanging around, like in this area, down in Seward, and just really creepy, very rude guy. Apparently he's threatened a lot of people. So I'm going to grab, I can't really grab my pepper spray so I got a camera in my hand. That's going to be out of the question. I wanted to take my guard dog, but this girl here is in heat, so I really can't take him. Come on, kids, it's not time for Riley now. Sit. Sit. Stay. Wait, Painter, let's go. Okay, wait. 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 Ha! Oh, that works too. Fix yourself, baby girl. You're tangled up. Come on. Go. Wait. Wait. Let's go. Ha! Ha! Ho! Ha! Hold on, ho. Okay, wait, wait, wait. Ugh. I'm untangled up real quick. There we go. Okay, this way. This way, let's go. There we go. Oh, jeez. They're having a good time. Come on, kids. And this is all ice here. You can see there's a river going. I crossed it without falling through. And we did it. There we go. For the scenery that I'm walking on. Very beautiful. Oh, hold on. I think I found one. Good girl. There we go. So this way, if something tries to, attack the dogs, if we see a moose or anything, it just extra protection, kind of. Oh crap. So we made it down to the trail that I was heading out on. This is called Lower Lake Trail. Lower Lake Trail, Lake, whatever it is. Leave it alone. Away from that. That's fish bones. Leave it. Leave it. That's ooey. Nope. Damn it. No. Unless you want to go swimming, I suggest you not follow this. Thought so. Hey, dogs. Hey, girls. Okay, come on. The trail I'm going up is called Spot Lake. It's about, I think they said, a 2-3 mile hike. One of my favorite hikes out there. It looks like there's a couple other cars out here, so I don't know if there's people down at the river over there or up on the trail. But just to stay safe, I'm going to just keep talking. Bears, I think the bears are awake by already. I'm not sure. I know it's been early enough for them to wake up. Plus the moose have been roaming around. So I just like to watch the dogs, watch their body language. And if they tell me something's ahead, I'll call them back. Last thing I want is for them to be provoking a moose. That would not be good. So this is part of the trail that we're on now. It's small little inclines, which isn't bad, but this stuff, I don't know if you can tell or not, but it's all ice. I tried doing this, was it last winter, where it was more icy than this. And I was down on my hands and knees, crawling up these hills, because of how icy they were. And for those who watch my bike journey in the snow, this is the trail I took. Which was not a good idea, but hey, it was fun. I don't know if you can see it or not, but that's the river down there. I am back. I didn't go all the way up to the lake. It was just started raining and it just really wasn't that good. So I'm back. This is where we feed the goats. It is a goat textured mixture. Buy that at Alaska Melon Feed. And then I like to give the goats alfalfa cubes in the morning. For those who don't know what an alfalfa cube is, it's just a little cube, and I soak it up in hot water for about half an hour. And I'll give it to the goats for the breakfast. Then I'll give them some hay. I think I showed you earlier in the vlog where I had the goats out roaming. And so if they're roaming, they'll forage, they'll find their own food. So they'll basically eat the alfalfa cubes in the morning, where they can find when they're out of their night pen. And then they get hay at night. They get Timothy hay. So I'm about to get the dogs fed, get the goats fed, eat dinner, and I'm going to be calling it night. Thank you guys for watching.